something big is arriving right now, and it should be a lot of fun, not only for my kid but for me as well. So it's a huge package, and it's like freight. Okay. Wow, it is big package, probably very well packed, so you don't have to worry about damages. The new technology. Can you leave by the door? Oh, thank you. Oh, it is large, but very well packed should be. And they can deliver by the door easily. So, and it is heavy, like about 180 pounds.
Okay.
Perfect. So now it's time to open up the mystery box. I guess it's not. It's something very fun, as you could see in the title. So let's open up. Okay, so it's pretty easy, I guess. You just pull it up. Make sure wear protective gloves, just in case. Okay. There's a lot of nails, be very careful. There's more protection here. I'm gonna remove so you can see it. So inside, you're gonna find user manual with some tools and the charger. So let's see how large the charger is. So the charger is 36 volt up to 44 volt charging, 1.7 amp. Okay. So here's how it's gonna be. Pretty large seat for adult or child. Handles, feels like steel, very solid. This one is like a tank. Wow. And it's actually a good size. Oh, I made the ramp. Very nice. And then I will probably break this one as well. Okay, so the reason I'm breaking, so it will not scratch the car, because there's a lot of nails. Wait. It's already going outside. Okay, nice. So basically, it's ready to drift. Here you go. Nice. I want to sit on it right away. See if I will fit it. Oh wow, yeah, I can fit easily. Ready to drift. So here's the first look. They recommend to charge between 8 to 9 hours. And the charging port right here. So you would plug it in until green light on the charging port. Over here, push button, you can see how much voltage. Mine has 38.8. It should be probably around 42 or above probably. And once I charge it, I'm gonna go for a ride. It is very good size. I'm gonna show you how I will ride it, and also my son, who is 9. So we'll see you guys after charging. And there's basically no assembly. You just need to use these 2 bolts to attach the seat right here, okay, to the frame. But you don't really have to, but I guess you better do. I don't know why it's like that, but it's basically a battery, I think, underneath there. It does come with good like charger, which is with a fan, so it will not get overheated. So here's a charging port, here's a button to start and off. So it's very simple to use. Alright, so the Kart is charged, 42 volt on display, a little bit even over. and I'm gonna try it to see how it works. So I'm gonna go to the park. My kids there, so my son wants to ride it. So I'm gonna go in the park and ride it. So I'm gonna ride the street. Wow, it's pretty fast. Feels pretty good. And you can spin. It's really cool. 360. How cool is that? Wow. And it's very easy to control. But it is loud. It is very loud. Very easy to control this. Brakes works okay, not super braking, but it's not as fast. Anyway, it's about 50 miles. I can get on here. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can pass through. Oh yeah. Oh, it's much better on the concrete. What's up? Oh, my son wants to ride it. My son wants to try it very badly. And it is, he's only 9, but it's very easy to use. Actually pretty fast, feels. So be careful there. So, and it's all steel. It's very heavy, like, but it's very strong. And when you sit in it, you feel like very, like kind of gravity. So it feels like slow, but when you do this way, it's Are you scared? You good? He was scared first, but now he loves it. But I'm 5'11" and over 215 pounds, and it can carry me very well as well. So I'm not sure what's the weight limit on it, but 6 feet tall person can fit in it easily, or somebody under 5 feet tall as well. It's a lot of fun.